Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you and show you how to play the pen game. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is a simple pen, and this is all that you need to play the pen game. It's a really fun game, really interactive game, and it can drag on for a long time, which is great, or it can be over in a short period of time, which is also great. It all depends on how the game plays out. So it's very easy to do. You need one person that knows how to play the pen game, which would be yourself, and another person that knows how to play the pen game. So you need at least another person in addition to yourself that knows how to play. And the rest of the people don't have to know how to play, but the objective is to get everyone to know how to play. So in order to win the game, everyone has to understand how to play the game. So it's a game within a game, basically, okay? Once everyone understands the game, that's the actual game. It's a pretty cool game. So here's what you have to do. You have to take the pen, and sort of an eeny, meeny, miny, mo fashion, you have to say, okay, I can play the pen game. Can you play the pen game? And you're gonna point at someone, okay? And you're asking them if they can play the pen game. In order to be part of it, they have to say, okay, I can play the pen game. Some people say that they have to say, okay, I can play the pen game. Can you play the pen game? But I play that they have to say, okay, I can play the pen game. And they need to say okay first. That's where it gets hard, because they can say, sure, yeah, I'll try it. But they need to say, okay, I can play the pen game. If they say it correctly on the off chance, then you give them the pen and they try it with someone else. If they don't say it correctly, then it's still your turn. You say once again, okay, I can play the pen game. Can you play the pen game? Okay, and you're gonna choose someone else, okay? And if they answer correctly, you give them the pen. If not, you try again. Okay, I can play the pen game, but can you play the pen game? And sooner or later, someone else is gonna understand how to join in the game, okay? You're gonna give them the pen and they're gonna keep trying with other people. And eventually, everyone will be part of the game, and that's how you win the game. Now, the phrasing, some people change the phrasing. I play by saying, okay, I can play the pen game. Can you play the pen game? Some people will say, okay, I can play the pen game, but can you play the pen game? Other people will just say, okay, I can play the pen game, can you? It's kind of up to you, but you want to be consistent with your phrasing so that everyone knows to say the exact same thing. That's the game. The game is to say the appropriate words to be part of the game. And that's it. When everyone has joined into the pen game, you win and you can move on. It's a fun game. It can be short-lived or it can last a very, very long time. I've played where it's lasted like more than half an hour, and it's super fun because there's always one or two people that just aren't catching on to the exact wording of it. And then when they catch on, it's like, we all learned it. It's a fun game. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.